This is a rice cooker Kiam Peng recipe with long beans, pork belly, and lap cheong or Chinese sausage. Cut one strip of pork belly into thin slices. Soak some dried prawns in a bowl of water for 1 hour. Rough chop and save the soaking liquid. This is one lap cheong soaked in water for 1 hour. Remove the skin. Cut into strips. This is 2 cloves of garlic, 4 sliced shallots, and 1 bunch of long beans. We start by sautéing the shallots. When the shallots are soft, add pork belly. We are frying this at medium-high heat initially. Water will be released from the pork. When the water is fully evaporated, lower the heat and add the dried prawns. As it is a little dry, we are adding another tablespoon of oil. Do not add too much oil as the fat from the pork belly will render, as you will see later. Add garlic, add the sausage. Although we did not add more oil, we can see that it is now becoming more oily. We are trying to fry everything together instead of frying them separately. When everything is fragrant, add 1 tablespoon each of oyster sauce, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Add half a teaspoon of 5 spice powder. add the long beans and mix. Measure the amount of water, including the soaking liquid from dried prawns, needed to cook the rice, and add the water into the wok. Taste and add more soy sauce if needed. We are adding another tablespoon. Pour everything into the rice cooker and cook. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.